Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the audio and permissions. Now begin converting it into a status-ready MP4. Open your Converter app or online tool and import the audio file. Once imported, select a static image or color background so WhatsApp can accept it as a video. Make sure resolution is 720p or 1280 x 720 for clarity and keep file size under 16 MB if possible. While converting, pick H.264 video codec and AAC audio codec to maximize compatibility with WhatsApp. Once conversion settings are set, split longer audio into 30-second chunks because WhatsApp status limits preview length. Use the converter's split tool or export sequential segments. Export each segment as MP4 with H.264/AAC at 720p and moderate bitrate so it uploads smoothly. Save the resulting files to your phone's camera roll or a folder WhatsApp can browse. After transfer, confirm each file plays locally. If a segment stutters, re-export that segment with a slightly lower bitrate. Now post the MP4 segments to WhatsApp status. Tap Status, then My Status, select your converted videos in order and add captions if needed. Make sure status privacy matches who should hear it. Once posted, it will last 24 hours. To keep it beyond that, immediately send the original MP4 to a private chat with yourself or upload it to cloud storage. Troubleshooting tip. If audio fails, check file format and codecs. Verify storage permission for WhatsApp and re-export using H.264 plus awk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.